All right, so for my third guided practice problem today, I have 52 hundredths times 3. Now if you stop and think about this one for a second, I bet you can figure this one out in your head. Mostly because I know that a lot of you have dealt with groups of 50 cents before. If I have 3 sets of 50 cents, well, 2 sets would be $1 and another 50 cents would be $1.50. So my answer should be right around 1 50 hundredths or 1.5. Now I've got this little guy hanging out, which is going to change things just a little bit. But we know if our answer is way off from 1.5 or 1 50 hundredths, we've probably done something wrong. So let's see how we can get there. Again, when I look at my problem, I'm going to pretend like this guy doesn't exist while I'm doing my computation. So I'm just going to worry about my 3 times 2, which gives me 6. 5 times 3 will give me 15. Carry the 1 up and drop it down. Don't have to worry about this 0 really. You can do it if you'd like to, but it doesn't really help you out too much. Now, since my computation is done, I've dealt with all my digits that are to the right of a decimal point or in between digits. I just got zeros holding place. I can stop with the computation part and I can just worry about my decimal. Here we've got 1, 2 digits behind the decimal point here. I've got none behind over here, so I just need to deal with 2 digits behind the decimal point. So I'm gonna put my imaginary decimal point here and I'll move over 1, 2 spots. I have 1 56 hundredths, and again, that's really close to 1 50 hundredths, which was my estimate. So I know that I am correct. All right, you've got one story problem left to do for guided practice, then you'll have some of these to try on your own. Try the next one, and we'll check it together.